Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. I wish you'd do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I need all I can get. So, if you will, please do it. Today, I got two old Matchbox 5 packs to show you. I got an MBX medal and more cars, 5 pack gift set. This one right here is from 2007. Then we got one from 2000. Let's open them up and see what we got. First up, got a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This is out of the 2007 MBX medal, which is number 15 US Classics of the Matchbox series. We got a 56 Cadillac Eldorado. Then we got a 70 Pontiac GTO. We got a 69 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396. Then we got a 57 Chevy Bel Air convertible. All of them convertible, but the Pontiac GTO. Anyway, that's it for the 2007 MBX, the US Classics. Next up, we got the ones from 2000. It's the number 12, More Cars, Sun and Fun 2. Next up, we got a little 62 Volkswagen Beetle. Next, we got the Dodge Viper GTS. Next up, we got the 99 Ford Mustang convertible. Then we got the Ferrari F50. And then last, we got a 68 Ford Mustang Cobra Jet. Leave a comment down below which one y'all think's y'all's favorite. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe, please. Check out my other videos at 1/64 scale racing. We'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.